The mystery of turmeric skin, the super protector that we have thrown away. We all know turmeric. This golden king of spices is in our kitchens, in our herbal medicines, and even a favorite of health research. But have you ever really seen it? I mean, look closely. I have a sample of fresh turmeric right here. And today, we're going to delve into the secret world of the turmeric we almost always peel and discard. Look, there are shiny gold spots under the turmeric skin that we observe from a microscope. The details of the shape of the turmeric skin are clearly visible. It turns out that turmeric skin is like cavities that are irregular in shape, but the size of the cavities is almost the same, and the cavities are arranged closely together. Under the microscope, these seemingly dry, dull, and ordinary parts actually hold an extraordinary story, from survival to intelligent structures. Even the question of whether we've been throwing them away wrong. Let's investigate. The first question that immediately jumps out at you is, why does the skin feel dry as paper, but the inside is juicy and fresh? This isn't a coincidence. It's a brilliant piece of evolutionary design. The turmeric bark is like armor for the rhizome that lives underground. Its outer layer consists of thick-walled, dead cells, reinforced by compounds like lignin. Lignin, the same compound that makes up wood. Its purpose is to act as a defensive barrier. It protects against attacks by bacteria, fungi, and pests in the soil, while also locking in valuable moisture. Now take a look inside. This is the treasure trove. This tissue is filled with parenchyma cells, which are like tiny sponges, storing water, starch, and of course, the legendary golden pigment called curcumin. Imagine your skin as a sturdy, dry fortress wall, while within its palace lies all the riches that make turmeric so special. So, what else is the secret behind its pale color? Let's go back to the beginning of the video, to the first 15 seconds. Notice the pattern on her skin, the circular lines, the distinct segments. This is her growth diary. Each line represents the remains of a protective leaf or scale that once attached to a rhizome node. Turmeric grows by elongating and forming new segments. This pattern is proof that turmeric isn't a root, but a stem that lives underground. Each segment represents a new chapter in its life. And why is it a faint white, not a bright yellow? Under a microscope, we can see the natural waxy layer, cuticle, that covers it. This layer acts like an ultra-thin raincoat, reducing water evaporation. Furthermore, the protective cells in the skin are intentionally low in yellow pigment. They are a special force of gatekeepers, protecting physical and structural secrets. This yellow pigment doesn't store the color of glory. That's the internal part's job. But who is this inside party being guarded? Turns out, there's more than one. Look back at the first 15 seconds of the video. The large turmeric plant is surrounded by small offspring. This is a survival and expansion strategy. Look closely. There are fine hairs like fine roots where the turmeric is planted in the soil, and this is what takes nutrients from the soil so that the turmeric grows well and fresh. The mother turmeric rhizome, protected by its tough skin, sends out lateral shoots, new branches, in search of space and resources. Eventually, when separated, they will become independent individuals. A simple yet highly effective system. Now, we get to the heart of the mystery surrounding turmeric peel. What exactly is contained in this peel we've been throwing away all this time? Research shows that despite its small curcumin content, turmeric skin is rich in crude fiber, cellulose, and phenolic compounds such as tannins, which have their own antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. This makes it non-toxic and technically edible. But is it safe to consume? So, should we eat turmeric skin? The practical answer may not be straightforward. The texture is too hard and the taste is very bitter because of the tannins. But science has opened the door to another clever use. Turmeric peel can be. The first is used as an extract for supplements or cosmetics, extracting its tannin compounds. The second is used as a rich compost fertilizer for plants. Third, the finely ground facial mask ingredient, which utilizes the remaining curcumin and its antioxidant properties. And fourth, the natural dye with a softer hue. From this turmeric peel, we are reminded that often, what matters is not whether something is tasty or beautiful to us, but whether it has performed an extraordinary function in the interconnected web of life. Maybe next time before peeling turmeric, we can pause and appreciate the complexity behind its simple appearance. What other ordinary things in your kitchen would you like to investigate under a microscope? Let us know in the comments. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you on your next science.